For the ones who know safety isn't a catchphrase, it's a culture. And the ones who help make sure everyone makes it home safe. For the safety-minded who watch everyone's backs, Grainger offers supplies and solutions for every industry, as well as safety assessments and training to keep your facilities safe and your people safer. Call, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.
So, what day is it today?
It's Monday morning.
What?
Huh?
Wake up time!
I hate alarms. They're so loud, they scare you away.
Oh, good morning, my friends. Morning breath.
Your breath smells terrible.
That's pretty rough.
Would you rather I lied to you?
Yes, please.
Monday morning.
Back to the old grind.
You ready to start?
Let's start the show.
Okay.
How's Mother's Day?
Do this thing.
Let's go.
It was awesome. I had a great Mother's Day. We did get a lot of stump grinding done for those of you who are curious.
Everywhere I went this weekend, people are like, what is she doing this weekend? There's hogging and grinding. And...
Oh my gosh, that brush hog thing is amazing. And then, so that was Saturday. And then Sunday, Mother's Day, got up. Mark was already at the depot to pick up the other piece of equipment, the stump grinder. And that's what we did. It was really interesting and fun. And then we ordered takeout.
So good. It's a good weekend right there. So that's a main mom's Mother's Day right there.
Yeah, I got
stump
good
grinding
gifts it's great.
Fantastic. Hope all the moms out there had a good day. Yesterday, we're back to it. This is our bust out week. We're going to get each day is going to be warmer. We're going to be 50s. It's going to be pushing 70 by the end of the week.
Good.
Feeling good about that. Let's see. Kentucky Derby was crazy on Saturday. We were watching that. We're not big horse race people, but it's fun to see the silly hats and the people and an 80-1 horse won, which never happens at the Derby.
They're off in the Kentucky Derby. And they're into the stretch. And it's Messier, Crown Pride, and Epicenter is coming up on the outside. Epicenter has taken the lead. Simplification down the outside is next. They're coming down to the wire. Epicenter's ended. Rich Strike is coming up on the inside. Oh my goodness, the longest shot.
I was really concerned this guy's head was going to pop right off his body.
Yeah.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, the longest shot has won the Kentucky Derby. Rich Strike has done it in a stunning, unbelievable upset.
I love that call. So there was a horse in it that had some Maine connection. Mo Donegal. I almost picked Mo Donegal. So Rich Strike wins. So way to go. Bruins have tied up the series 2-2. They play tomorrow. Celtics tonight. They're down 2-1 to Milwaukee in their series. They'll be in Milwaukee tonight. Sox lose. No Mother's Day miracle. They're off today after having 18 straight days, 17.
Yeah, they need to go home for a couple days.
So then they'll go. They'll be in Atlanta tomorrow. And the Sea Dogs had the Mother's Day 5K, so about 1,300 runners. I think it's the first time in 3 years they've been able to hold the Mother's Day 5K, which is a good one. I think the winning time was 15 minutes.
Whoa.
To run 3.2 miles.
God.
It's ridiculous.
Holy moly.
That's just crazy. I couldn't do that if I sprinted for the top of sprinted at the top of my lungs.
Even if you went top speed, you couldn't do that.
Slugger let it off. I don't know what Slugger's time was, but all right.
Was Slugger's mom there?
Slugger's mom was there.
She was. I heard she was going to be there. I would have loved to have shook her hand.
What a wonderful...
Said, ma'am, you have a nice boy.
You've done a good job raising that Slugger.
Yes.
Bono and the Edge busy over the weekend. Ended up in a bomb shelter in Kiev. In Kyiv, excuse me, not Kyiv. In Kyiv, in Ukraine. And these bomb shelters are their subway. They're underground.
Right.
And so this is where people go. And so Zelensky invited them to come play.
That's unbelievable.
And those two.
Yeah, and the First Lady was there too. Not at the same time as them, but she also visited.
So they went there and they played 40 minutes. And then one of the Ukrainian, I don't know if this is one of the Ukraine singers we've been playing here on the Blimp, but because we've been featuring some Ukrainian rock and roll, but one of the Ukrainian singers got up there in full fatigues, and sang with them and did a little Stand By Me Ukraine version. You check out the whole video. It's incredible. Up on the WBLM app, WBLM.com. 40-minute set in a bomb shelter.
Unbelievable.
Good for them.
Yeah.
Let's see. More of your rockers getting back out on the road. Eric Clapton started his tour over the weekend. A little I Shot the Sheriff here. I was at Royal Albert Hall, which is pretty much like Clapton's living room.
His backup singers are amazing.
Good reggae version of I Shot the Sheriff. Stevie Nicks has gotten back out on the road. She played at the Jazz Festival over the weekend in New Orleans. Here's a little bit of Gypsy. She sounds great. She still sounds great.
Yeah.
So these are all like cell phone videos, but check them all out. We've got U2 live from Ukraine. We got a bunch of videos of Stevie and a bunch of videos of Eric Clapton. Sounding fantastic. Love that. She's still got it. 6:51. That's Rock News. You can get it 24/7 on the WBLM app. You knew that. The Who is an English rock band that formed in London in 1964. It's 2022, and we have tickets to see them today.
Amazing.
Through Classic Rock Wordle. Of all the ways for you to see this legendary band,
Through the silliness of Classic Rock Wordle.
it's almost like this contest. This should be something much more grand
You're right. Something much more serious.
than Classic
Than
Rock
Classic Rock,
Wordle.
you know.
Should be some sort of like deep analysis of the lyrics.
But let's face it, this is really our speed, right? This is really our speed. This is the best we can,
Best we can
do.
We got the Who, man. Next Wednesday, TD Garden. Tickets all this week on Classic Rock Wordle, right around this time, 7:45, 7:50. It's not a well-planned show. When we get to it, we get to it. So here's how it works. If you've never played Classic Rock Wordle before, it's kind of like the real Wordle, where the answer is a 5-letter word. However, you only get one shot at it, and we give you an audio clue. Now, how does the audio clue work, Celeste?
Well, we are going to play part of a song for you, and you are going to guess the song title, and the Classic Rock Wordle is in the song title.
Oh!
It's so easy.
Now I get it.
So easy. Know the name of that song? The Wordle answer is in it.
The number is 792-1029. I'm going to give it to you one more time here. No big deal. Just tickets to see the Who today.
I think it's Front.
You think it's Front? Let me.
F-R-O-N-T. Yes, and then it's Front is the title of the song, and Front is the Wordle.
I won. Woohoo!
Who is this?
My name is Frank.
Frank, who are you talking
Let
to?
me turn my radio down.
Yeah, please. For a second, and then you're going to want to turn it back up because we're going to play the song. Frank, what are you doing, bud?
I am dropping my young son off at school, and then I'm headed to work.
All right. Well, next Wednesday, TD Garden, Boston, Massachusetts. It's the Who. Have you seen them yet, Frank?
I have never seen them. Never.
Check the box because this
will be the first time.
They're legends. Incredible.
It's a piece of
Indeed.
history.
Yeah, seriously.
And I want you to
Indeed.
hit that swag table like nobody's business.
Right.
Oh, I will. I will, for sure.
Who's going with you, Frank?
Probably my beautiful wife.
There you go.
No.
It's the blimp, Frank. It's the blimp. It's the blimp.
That's off of Captain Beefheart Records, I believe. That's pretty cool.
A lot of people don't know that. There you
I
go.
do.
I'm going to give you 15 bonus points for knowing that. So
This is the legendary Rock and Roll Blip, 102.9 WBLM.
Way to go, Frank. Classic rock wordle for...
This is the story of the one. As a maintenance engineer, he hears things differently. To the untrained ear, everything on his shop floor might sound fine, but he can hear gears grinding or a belt slipping. So he steps in to fix the problem at hand before it gets out of hand. And he knows Grainger's got the right product he needs to get the job done, which is music to his ears. Call, click Grainger.com, or just stop by. Grainger, for the ones who get it done.